Hey guys, just wanted to give y'all an update. I know it's been a minute. Let you know that Bella is pregnant, and it's by this guy right here. It happened earlier than I wanted to happen. He was only 9 months at the time, and I was out of town. And yeah, I was trying to wait till he was the appropriate age, so they can be registered and have his good pedigree. So this definitely wasn't the plan, but it's happened. So yeah, just let you know, I'm excited to see how the puppies come out, but also disappointed because with KBCubed, I don't think they're gonna allow me to register the pups this young. So, well, because the dad was young. By the time they're born, he probably be around 11 months or so. But at the time, he wasn't. So I'll keep y'all posted.